Kealoha Pisciotta, followed by Healani Sonoda Pale, Fred Pereira Jr., and Keala Leong.
Mahalo and team. Aloha. Sorry. It doesn't work, I don't think. Sorry. Aloha ikia kua na umakua. Abide with us this day. Aloha, Board of Regents. My name is Kealoha Pisciotta. We've testified so many times before you. In fact, when I testified before, I didn't need glasses. So now I need glasses. I do want to also say that I take exception to the order of the speakers. We were in the line, and also extended time. I kind of tried to get mine into 3 minutes, and I will, but I'm going to finish mine, if you don't mind. Thank you. So we've presented lots of testimony in the past regarding the legal problems and the jurisdictional confusion created by this so-called rulemaking process. When people say no jurisdiction, ma vau akua, they mean the university has no authority in the sacred realms, but also it means that you don't have authority or jurisdiction to control Maunakea, the Maunakea Conservation District, period. You don't have control to, or the right to exclude Native Hawaiians and the public on public lands that are legally required to be overseen by the Board of Land and Natural Resource on our behalf. Nowhere in Article 10 of the Constitution does it grant the university the right to oversee or control or limit the public on the conservation lands of Mauna Kea. The general lease conveys no exclusivity to the UH, only the right of way to the observatories. You may point to Act 132 to claim that it gave you the right to control Native Hawaiians and the general public on Mauna Kea, but this is false because Act 132 never amended the original jurisdiction laws. Act 132 is but a sleight of hand because to change the law, one can't just overwrite other laws. The key land use laws that govern all the lands in Hawaii have not been overwritten or amended. So the university does not have jurisdiction. The recent LUC case affirmed that only BLNR has oversight over the lands within the Mauna Kea Conservation District. That also is to say that the UH does not have jurisdiction over anything on Mauna Kea. Furthermore, relying on Act 132 to control and limit Native Hawaiian practitioners on public lands violates our constitutional protections. The state has an affirmative duty. That means you have to actively do it. You can't passively do it. You also may not erode our rights. Okay? If a governmental agency, including the university, wishes to limit access to any Hawaiian religious practice, they have the burden to first show that those restrictions utilize the least restrictive means and to demonstrate that the religious practice is unreasonable. It is not. It is the university's burden, not our burden, to prove that. So I ask you, does a practitioner of other religions need to give 15 days notice to go to their church, temple, or house of worship? Do they need to get a permit or go through any other regulatory process in order to be able to worship or to pray? No, of course not. Our religious practices are exactly what is protected under the United States, occupational United States Constitution, First Amendment. Okay, the free exercise of our religion. And as well as the state, Article 12, Section 7, when you require people to get a permit, that's a violation. Further, the university continues to apply an unreasonable double standard. For years, our sacred things have been desecrated, our lele has been destroyed, our ahus have been destroyed, all of these things for all these years. And also, every time we go up to do ceremony, we are blocked. But yet, astronomers are not. It's a double standard. Do they need a permit to go up? No. We have not been allowed to practice our religion without harassment at unacceptable levels. All in the name of safety, you say. If a practitioner wasn't safe, the practice wouldn't be in existence. And if the astronomers get to go up, then we must go up. That's a double standard. In closing, I'll leave you with a quote from my auntie Kamaka Hukilani. It is, "We have a right to practice our religion in the environment of our belief, and Maunakea is that environment." I strongly urge you to end the abuse and assault against the people of Hawaii, to stop supporting the TMT, period, to raise the standard of aloha, and shelve these so-called rules and your resolutions now. Mahalo.
Thank you very much.